Hello students, now next conversion, that is benzene conversion. I will use simple tricks students, step by step I will use simple trick. First conversion from benzene to nitrobenzene student. So now benzene to nitrobenzene, first one, that is when benzene react with concentrated HNO3, concentrated nitric acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, we get that product is nitrobenzene will be formed, that is NO2 will be formed. In this conversion from benzene to nitrobenzene, that reaction is called nitration reaction. Nitration means what student? 1:1 ratio of constant HNO3 and constant H2SO4 is called nitration mixture student. The conversion of from benzene to nitrobenzene. Then after that student, this nitrobenzene again react with SN plus HCl. SN plus HCl, that means it is a reducing agent student, that is called reduction. In this step reduction, that is nitrobenzene is converted into aniline. In this step that is NO2 group is converted to NH2. In this step, that is SN plus HCl, this SN plus HCl, SN10 act as a reducing agent, we get that is nitrobenzene is converted into aniline. Product is, that is aniline will be formed. This aniline again react with chloroform. This aniline react with chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide. In the presence of potassium hydroxide, we get that is product will be formed, that is phenyl isocyanide will be formed, that is phenyl isocyanide will be formed, that is NC. Phenyl isocyanide will be formed. In this reaction student, that is carbyl amine test, that is primary amine. This primary amine test or carbyl amine test or phenyl isocyanide test. In this step, that is from aniline is converted to phenyl isocyanate, that conversion of aniline to phenyl isocyanate. This is this reaction belongs to, that is carbyl amine test, this conversion of phenyl isocyanate. This phenyl isocyanate, this phenyl isocyanate again react with what happens to, that is lithium aluminum hydride, LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. What is the role of lithium aluminum hydride? This lithium aluminum hydride act as a reducing agent. It is a strong reducer. It can reduce, that is isocyanate group. This isocyanate group is converted to NHCH3. That means secondary amines will be formed. This is the simple trick. When phenyl isocyanate, this product is called phenyl isocyanate. This phenyl isocyanate reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acetic anhydride, we get that the product is secondary amines will be formed, that is NH. This phenyl group does not change. This phenyl group cannot reduce with lithium aluminum hydride, but this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only NC group, that is nitrogen and carbon. This nitrogen group is converted into NH and carbon group is converted into CH3, NC. That is the overall reaction. This NC is converted into NH and CH3. This is secondary amines will be formed. This lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only isocyanate group. This isocyanate group is converted into secondary amine. This is the simple trick. This is the simple conversion of from benzene to some different reagents. So this benzene react with different reagent, we will get the benzene react with different reagent, it gives different product will be produced. This is a simple trick. This again, this secondary amines react with this amines, phenyl amines or aminobenzene when react with NaNO2, NaNO2 plus HCl in the presence of nitrous acid, we get that product is, that is benzene diazonium chloride will be formed, N2 plus Cl minus, benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. When aniline, this NH2 group, that is aniline react with NaNO2 plus HCl in the presence of HNO2 nitrous acid, this product, that is the product we will get, that the product is, that is benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. This is benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. This benzene diazonium chloride on hydrolysis, that means reaction with water. When benzene diazonium chloride react with water, what is the production? That is phenol will be formed. This phenol will be formed. This is the final production. This NH2, that is aniline. When aniline or aminobenzene, when aminobenzene react with NaNO2 plus HCl in the presence of nitrous acid, we get that product is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene, this is name, the product name is called benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. Benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. This benzene diazonium chloride again react with water, we get that is product is, that is phenol is formed. This is phenol strand. This is a simple trick strand. And one more step also there, so this NO2 group, so this NO2 group again react with strand this nitrobenzene. This nitrobenzene react with, that is chlorine strand, chlorine in the presence of FeCl3. This nitrobenzene again react with chlorine in the presence of FeCl3, that is chlorination or halogenation strand. This reaction is called halogenation strand. This halogenation in this reaction belongs to electrophilic substitution reaction strand. In this electrophilic substitution reaction strand, this chlorine in nitrobenzene, this chlorine will attacks always meta position. This chlorine will attack always meta position strand. In this reaction, electrophile is Cl plus strand, electrophile is Cl plus. This electrophile will attacks always in meta position. Why? Because this NO2 group is the minus I, this NO2 group is minus M group. So that's why this minus M group is always meta directing group. So that's why this Cl plus, this Cl plus means electrophile. This electrophile will attacks always meta position. So the product is metachloronitrobenzene will form. This is a simple trick. And one more conversion, when benzene strand, one more conversion, this benzene react with CH3Cl strand, CH3Cl in the presence of AlCl3. You remember, when benzene react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, what is the production? That is methyl benzene will be formed. This reaction is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You remember, when benzene react with methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, we get that is methyl benzene will be formed. This conversion is from benzene to methyl benzene, that is belongs to Friedel-Crafts alkylation strand. Methyl benzene will be formed. This methyl benzene